Hey y'all, welcome to SipBiteGo. If you're looking to up your grilling game, today these barbecue smoked T-bone steaks on the Traeger are going to be the perfect place to start. They're smoky with a sizzling sear at the end. Let's make you the hero of your backyard barbecue. First, take your T-bone steaks out of the fridge and let them sit at room temp for about 20 minutes. This will help them cook more evenly. Then you want to add 2 teaspoons salt, half teaspoon black pepper, a half teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of your favorite barbecue rub to a bowl. Mix that all together. This is going to be your flavor powerhouse for this barbecue dish. Don't forget, I'm here to help you with all your grilling needs. I have so many sides and desserts that you can serve with smoked T-bone steak. Make sure to subscribe to the SipBiteGo YouTube channel. Pat steaks dry with a paper towel and then generously rub in the barbecue spice blend. Make sure to cover every inch of those T-bone steaks for delicious flavor. At this time, I like to stick in my internal read thermometer. You can get links to all my favorite barbecue and grilling products on SipBiteGo.com and in the description of this video. When it comes to smoking the steaks, I'm going to recommend you preheat the smoker to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. You could also smoke them at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for a bit smokier flavor. It will take an extra 15 to 20 minutes, so I really like this method of smoking them at 250. These T-bone steaks were done in about 20 to 25 minutes. I took them out when they hit 125 degrees Fahrenheit internally, and then that gave them the rich smoky taste that we love, but it was time to finish them on the gas grill. So we set that gas grill to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, cranked it on up for that perfect sear. What I did is I kept grilling each side of the steak for about 30 seconds, flipping a few times to get beautiful grill marks till it was done to our desired temp. So these finished off at about 130 and they were absolutely perfect. Slathered on some butter, love compound butter. You can buy it or you can make it with some recipes on SipBiteGo.com, and you'll always find me dashing on a sprinkle of fresh chopped herbs that I grow right in my own kitchen. Some parsley, basil, or fresh cilantro are great choices. So finish with that generous slather of butter, compound butter if you're feeling fancy, and sprinkle with fresh herbs. Enjoy your mouth-watering smoked grilled T-bone steaks. These are so yummy. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you love this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more barbecue goodness. I have so many yummy cookout, barbecue, and other home cooking recipes coming soon. Happy grilling and see you next time. Cheers.